Go for it.
What's going on, YouTube?
All right, another day, another not dumb idea, but another idea for the hijet. Finally gonna mess with that.
Get all the.
That's exactly what it's gonna sound like. We're gonna cut all the exhaust off, basically, from the manifold back. Make that fit somehow. I got some stainless pipe over there in the corner. And it's going to come out the side, which is why we had to get rid of the battery box, because the exhaust is coming out over there, and it was in the way. And now you know. Going up.
Yeah, that's why I was asking for your opinion.
Makes it look so effortless. Oh, that hurts my fingernail. I'm not allowed to grab them. Got it. Oh, it's a mouthful of 20-year-old Japanese dust.
Which way you want to go?
That's a good question, because I still can't clear over here, can I?
You can make a twist.
No,
if you need.
I got it. Okay.
I got this. Get out. Yep. You gotta twist it. Yep. There you go. There you go. There. First exhaust mount you need.
Nice. Put that on eBay.
And sell it as a type R. You heard me?
Yeah. That's got some weight to it, boy. Almost 20 pounds.
We're gonna be flying, baby. Okay. Like Nico said, for science.
Alright. Fire in the hole.
Yo. I'm gonna say it. Sounds like all you BMWs who got your blah 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 tunes.
Yeah, I was not expecting that. That's pretty throaty.
Yeah,
For a
what?
little 660cc. It is 3 cylinders, so it's fairly large cylinders.
Sound like a Harley.
Yeah, right? Well, it's gonna be mostly straight, but it's gotta bang a little bit out. Because otherwise, the straight shot from there is like still under the truck.
Okay.
So I do want it to come out before the tire. I'm gonna replicate that general shape to make sure it clears everything on the other end, on the manifold. Cut it out of this guy. And then we're gonna weld off our pipe off of that. And this way we also get to use the same hardware since I'm matching the holes. Change of plans. I might have to go and see if I can find a piece like this in stainless, because it's got the like curvature for the exhaust gasket donut that's on there, and I'd like to maintain that so we don't have exhaust leaks. So I'll go do some quick research and see if I can find one locally. I really don't want to wait to have to do this for like a week. Alright, so after lots and lots of hours of Googling, I failed to find a stainless steel donut flange an 1.5 inch diameter. One of those. And stainless. So I'm going to attempt to make one. I don't know if it's going to work, but I can't really make it the donut flange shape. I'm going to make it conical, and I think it's going to be enough to sandwich it onto the donut gasket and seal properly. Step one of attempting to make a donut flange out of stainless is a CAD design, cardboard aided design out of some manila folder what I think I need to do is make an arc about, we're gonna go like 1/2 inch wide arc. I don't know the dimensions just yet. I'm gonna have to wing it as I go. And then we're gonna throw it through the slip roll and try to make a conical ring that I'm gonna weld to a flat flange, and thereby making a, I mean, it's not really a donut flange, it's more like a muffin flange because it's a con. Not enough angle, I don't think, but it's a good start.
There's our donut. Here's our template. It's pretty snug. Like I said, I just want to make it a little bit bigger so we're not impeding the flow of the gas. Well, we're not, but it'd make me feel a little bit better if it was a little bit bigger, because then I can always cut it and shrink it. A lot easier than making it bigger.
Alrighty. Nico's gonna try to make his flange. I'm getting out of here so I don't go blind.
And we're back. So we have everything we need. Well, mostly. Got my flex pipe, which is actually meant for a wastegate on larger trucks, but it's actually the right size for my exhaust pipe. A little piece of exhaust pipe, more exhaust pipe. The poorly made flange I whipped up the other day. It's not pretty, but it's gonna work. Beer and the motorcycle muffler. So, first things first. Let's get everything ready. Okay, now we're ready. Okay, we're all set up. Let's weld some stuff. I also got a new gas lens for the TIG. Hopefully it makes my welds look prettier. I doubt it. Take on our little flex section so we have some movement in the exhaust and we don't break anything. That's the idea, at least. Pretty ugly, but it's getting better. And it's gonna work. That's all that matters. I'll let that cool down for a while. I'm gonna try to figure out how long I need the next piece to be before it starts to angle further out. Well, I totally forgot to record it, but I cut and tacked this together at an angle that I think is gonna work. I don't know. I kind of just winged it. What's the past tense of wing it? Wung it? I winged it.
Alright, I bolted up the flange and the flex pipe. I had to cut one coil of the springs off because the way I made my bracket, it stands off further. I might have to cut another one. We'll see when I actually crank it down all the way. But I got this propped up for a pretty good height right here-ish.
Alright, got most of my bends done. Now it's time to get the actual muffler can on here.
pretty much where it's gonna sit. It's absurd, and I love it. This thing's gonna be so loud. I'm just gonna make a hanger, which is probably gonna come off of these 2 bolts where the old battery tray was. Hey, so the other day I got this all tacked up. Now I'm just gonna send it and see if I have enough argon. Alright, so now that the exhaust is all welded up, I used an aluminum TIG rod to bend up the shape I want my hanger to be, and I'm gonna make it out of the stainless steel bolt. I don't think I'm gonna be able to bend it because I don't have a vise here, but I guess I'll just probably cut it and weld it together, make the shapes I want. Probably put a washer on it so it doesn't slide off the end, and then make a plate out of whatever stainless I have left of my practice piece to mount to the frame where the old battery tray was, because it lines up pretty close. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. Be a little bit too loud still. I think we might need to put a muffler on it or a resonator or something, because that is wicked loud. It feels good though. You feel it in your chest, which is nice, but I feel like that's a sound ordinance ticket coming on. I don't know. Well, it's kind of late right now, so tomorrow when it's earlier we'll take it outside, let it warm up, and see how loud it is once it idles down. I think it's gonna need some kind of muffler though. That was very, very loud. We'll see.